What's up guys, welcome back to our channel Trading Basics. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna learn how to access online trading lessons on Forex.com. So let's just get started. Firstly, you need to be in this particular platform, which is Forex.com website. So how you get here is just go to your web browser and just search Forex or Forex.com and press enter. So then what you're gonna do is do this first link over here, just go over here, and then you will be redirected to that particular platform of Forex.com like this. And now to do so, just go to this drop down menu of educations, then there you'll see a lesson just below courses. Just go over there, and then over here you'll be having the lesson. So it's for tips for forex trading and all. You can have the advanced one, you can have the beginners one, or even the intermediate one. So for now let's just go with the beginner one, and like this just tap on the lessons like this, and then this lesson has already been started over here. So you have to read about the lesson. So there are another lessons like this, and if you want to go to another lesson, just go to this option all the way down which says go to next lesson. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Also, if you have any queries, just comment down below guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.